Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, then towards the passenger side, you should see your battery here, with your positive terminal here, and your negative terminal here. And to double check, you can also usually see on the battery itself there's a negative, and that'd be a positive on this side of the battery. But next I would check if there's any corrosion that you can clean up. Take a good brush or rag should do the job. And after that, I'd make sure these connections are all tight, which you can tighten them up if they are loose. And after that, and with your jump box or with your jumper cables, you'll take the metal clamps and you'll clamp directly to the metal here for your positive, and then your negative clamp as much metal contact as you can as well. Clamp it right on. And if you're running jumper cables to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on and running. And you've got your negative terminal connected directly to the other car's negative terminal, and the positive terminal directly to the positive on the other vehicle. That way you don't want to ever cross them by mistake, because that could cause damage to your computer systems, electronics, things like that. Make for a bad day. But once you've got them connected and the other car running for a few minutes with a good metal connection, that should be enough to get your car started. If you've been trying that for quite a while and still not having success, you might need to replace this battery, which fortunately this one's pretty accessible to get to, which you'll just loosen these connections to lift the old terminals off. And then you should be able to just slide this battery right out. Once everything's loosened up, get your new battery, stick it right in the same place, and then just reattach and tighten everything just like it is now, and you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.